Hello, everyone, and guess what? It is week 13 guess what? It's a feel good Friday. It's a feel good Friday. Hello, everyone. It is a feel good Friday, and I hope you are having a fabulous Friday, keeping a smile on your face. And guess what? We do once again have a special guest, the amazing student doctor, Simone. So she's gonna tell you a little bit about her business. So that's what we're talking about today. Is I'm not going to even tell you. So she's going to tell you what her business is.
Well, thank you, of course, for having me. As he said, my name is Simoine Kenya, and I am the CEO and founder of the Healthcare Plug. And what it
Come on, CEO.
is basically, basically what it is a health platform. So I came up with the idea last year in July, actually, when I got COVID. It was like me and my parents at the same time. So we were all home, and I was like, okay, well, I have more time on my hands than usual because I was, of course, out of work, trying to recover. And so I was actually gifted a laptop by my chiropractor. And this mission had been laid on my heart like in May of that year, but I was just too busy with work and I worked for a primary care physician's office. So of course we were busy like testing people for COVID and all of that stuff. So it was hectic. I didn't have time to focus on the purpose, but after I got COVID, I had a lot of time to focus on the purpose. So then I'm sitting at home and I'm like, okay, let's bring this to life. So I hit up my friend. She helped me bring my logo to life. And we just hit the ground running from there. So I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. This is the pilot city for the organization. And I offer my services. I advertise them for Black and brown people, but of course I'm open to helping anyone. But my services are meant to be for Black and brown individuals that are part of medically underserved or marginalized communities. The services that I offer, the biggest ones right now are insurance navigation. So I can help you navigate the healthcare system and find an affordable.
Wow.
So health, dental, vision. A lot of people, they don't know where to start, or it's just kind of like overwhelming, or they don't even know what all these percentages and the lingo means. So I help them navigate that process. I've helped so many families get insured. So that's like one of my proudest
Wow. That is literally so amazing.
right now. Yes. So that's the biggest one that I get requests for. Another one is physician referrals. So that was my main service at first. I'm linking Black people with Black doctors, or I'm linking
Wow.
Spanish people with Spanish speaking doctors. And it's people local to your area. If you have a preference on, they need to be male or female, or they need to be, I don't know, affiliated with a certain religion, or if you want a queer doctor or anything like that. So I help people get exactly what they want. Let's see. I have so many services I can barely remember
So
sometimes.
going back, so how
Yeah.
how detail us how that works. So some like me, Andre, I reach out to you, build your we'll talk about that in a minute, website or whatever, and then you go through an interview style of meeting me, or like how does that process work?
Yes. So I have a few initial questions just to get an idea of price range, or it's based on what you ask for. But I
Okay.
ask what you can afford on a monthly basis to pay for insurance, that kind of thing. Right. But yeah, if you need a physician referral, I kind of ask you what your preferences are, and we go from there. So it is a little interview in the beginning, but the thing that I take off your plate is all the time take for you to do all that yourself. A lot of people don't have time, or they start the process and it's frustrating because you go on Google and type in, Black doctors in my area, and this one isn't accepting new patients, or this one doesn't take your insurance. And you're just like, okay, forget it, even though you have issues that need to be checked up on. So I'm getting their butts to the doctor. That's the point. And I'm willing to sit here and take on whatever I need to take on so that we can get you there. And it's been efficient every single time with each person. So I'm proud of that. Um, those are the two biggest services that I offer. I also offer medical bill relief. But as we get more donations and grant money, oh yes. I
Oh,
believe
you
it
need
or
the bills.
not, believe it or not, like if people have small balances at doctor's offices, they can block you from coming back. And that
Right,
for some,
right.
a chronic illness, or they need medication regularly, that's not convenient. When you need a doctor, refill prescriptions, and because of a measly $40, you're blocked from making an appointment.
Yeah.
You know, that's blocking our people from getting the care that they need. So anything I can do, that's the purpose. That's why I'm here. So of course, on Instagram is the healthcare plug. You can just send us a message, and most likely I'll get to you in about 3 to 5 days. It depends on how crazy life is. Or you can always email us. You can email us through the Instagram page as well. It's the hcplug@gmail.com. And let me see what else. Oh, of course, I have a website. So that'll be available for you all. And there's literally a page on there or a tab that you can click to fill out a request form. And it'll ask you what service you need. And you put in, you pretty much answer those initial questions. And then it comes to email and I hit you up and we go from there. So pretty easy. And all the services are free. I do want to say that. A lot of people are like, wow, how much does this cost? Nothing, because that's the problem. We deserve free help because we know what the default has been, and the information is accessible to everybody else. So we're gonna make sure it's accessible to us as well. So yeah, it's all free. Just hit me up.
I literally love this. Like, it's like so inspirational. Like, someone, by the way, she's so amazing, literally. But someone that can offer free services to Black and Brown communities who are already at a disadvantage with bills and not being able to find people that look like them. Listen, let me tell you, this is the change right here. This is what we need. I love it. This is literally so amazing. Literally. So, if you need help, she says she's in Atlanta, but let me tell you, she'll help you. So just hit her up. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Feel Good Fridays, because guess what? It's a Feel Good Friday. It's a Feel Good Friday. See y'all next week. Love